Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into something super useful in SQL, which is called the CTE, or in full form we say it common table expression. You can see today's question as well for American Express interview question series, and it has been also asked for beginner as well as for experienced person. And you can see we will be doing question number 11 because till question 10th we have completed in our YouTube playlist. You can go and check out there. It is explained in Hindi as well as in English. So let's dive into today's question. It is all about CTE. What is the actual question? What is CTE and how it is used? So once you go into this CTE term, trust me, your query will look cleaner, easier to understand, and way more powerful. So first thing first, let's go into the theory part. A CTE is like a temporary result set. You define it before your main query using the with keyword, and then you can use it just like a table or a subquery. I would say think of it like you are writing a mini query first and then using it like a shortcut. We will be using a basic example with the sample table as well. See, I am just minimizing this. You can see the sample table here, like we have done the create table and insert into. So what we will actually do, we will find the total sales per region and then filter out the regions with total sales which is greater than 250. Normally you might use a subquery, but let's do it with a CTE, right? So let's write the query first and then we will break down the query step by step, right? So first of all you have to write okay, first of all, see, like I have already given, I will be already giving this queries in the comment section, the create table and insert into, and then once you run it, you see you will get this table. It is nothing, just you have to write the query, that's it. Then we will move what is actually CTEs. Have to write select everything from sales. Wait, let me give it like we have to find the region where the sum of sales is more than 250. So first of all we will write the region with the sum of sales, right? So we will be doing group by region. So what we will do, we will just make out the unique region in the output table with the sum of the total amounts. So let's run this and see what we get. Sum of sales, okay, sum of amount is there, sorry to use, yeah, sum of amount, yeah, see. So right now what we have received in the output table, we have received east region total amount or total sales, west region total sales. Right now we have to find out the region which is more than, suppose I would say 450, more than 450, the total sales is more than 450. So how you will write, you can not write like this, like select everything from sales where total sales more than 450. Like you cannot write this because this won't work. So what we will do, we will give this query a table. Suppose I give T1. We will give this query a table name. We will say, right, select everything from T1. We will say that this table, we will say to SQL, like make this table as a T1. So if we select this, select everything from T1, it won't run. You check this out, it won't run because SQL will say what is T1. So what you have to do, you have to just select everything, the query that you have given the name or given the CTE of T1, and also select everything from T1 to check what is actually in T1, like what data we have in T1, or we could say what data we have in the given city. Once you run it, you will only get the output. If you do not run this query, means the query which you have given a city, it won't run. So you have to select all the things and then run, then only you will get the output. So as we have given this thing as a T1, right now in this table I can say कि like give me the region where the total sale is more than 450 in this table. So this table is what? T1, because we have given T1. See, right now in this table what I will say, give me region from the given table which we have given, where total sales more than 450. So let us run and run this query and see what output do we get. West. Why? Because okay, let's write total sales as well, so that it will be easy for you to understand. Why West? Because total sales is more than 450, which is 600. So we have done the practical, and let's break down step by step. First, the with CT, like with T1 as this part creates a temporary result, a table showing total sales by region. Then in the main query we select from that city just like it's a regular table and filter the rows. See, we are doing like it's a regular table and we are filtering the rows. That's it. In our case it's only east and west, correct? You can check it here. In our case it's only east and west. So the sales over 450 will be returned. That's it. You are just giving a table name, that's it, nothing else. And if you ask me like what is the benefit of using CT, we can use subquery as well. I would say the benefit of using CT, like they make your queries easier to read. You avoid repeating the same subquery, because subquery is like this much big queries you have to put inside a query. So rather than like writing a big query inside a big query, it is better to make this query a table and then use that table and filter out the option. And also you can even chain multiple CT together for complex analysis. And yes, you can use them with join, rank, row number, and even recursive queries. And it, like I would say, here we have completed our questions. What was the question actually? Write a CT and how it is used. We have completed here. It's an easy thing, but still it's a most powerful and most, I would say, sustainable thing which you will use in your day-to-day life in your data analysis field. And that's a quick crash course, or I would say a quick explanation on CT in SQL. Give it a try next time your queries start getting messy, like when there are lots of subqueries or lots of lines. I would say give it a try. You will really get addictive by this CT. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want the part 2 where we cover recursive CTs. So thank you for that, and by subscribing also click the bell icon so that you get notification for the new videos which I upload every day. Right now we are doing the American Express interview series. In near future we will be working on like FANG or MANG companies interview series, so it will be really helpful. Do like subscribe and click on the bell icon. It will be like, it's a very helpful thing. I would say you should share this video to someone who want to like come in this data analytics field, or who are preparing for interviews, so it would be helpful for them. So thank you everyone. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video with a new question. So bye bye, take care, and happy coding.